Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the headband sits centered on your crown. This spreads weight evenly and reduces clamp pressure. Once powered and paired, position the cup so the hinge aligns with your ears. This maximizes seal and soundstage. If the fit feels off, slightly slide the telescoping arms in or out, testing each increment. Small adjustments change pressure a lot. Make sure cushions are fully seated on each ear cup, because gaps will leak bass and ruin isolation. Once the initial fit is set, work on cup rotation and arm length together. You'll want symmetry front to back, so do one side then match the other. Rotate each cup until it cups the ear comfortably. That increases low-frequency response and comfort. Next, nudge the headband forward or back so weight sits over the top center of your skull. This reduces side pressure. Keep testing with familiar audio. If bass tightens and vocals clear, you've hit the sweet spot. To finish, wear them for 5 to 10 minutes and play varied material. You want comfort over time, not just initial feel. If you notice muffled sound or poor noise cancellation, remove and reseat the ear cushions. Dirt or misalignment often causes acoustic leaks. If one side is quieter, make sure the device volume balance isn't shifted and then try a reset. This often clears connection or firmware glitches. If problems continue, inspect cushions and headband for wear. Then contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.